Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I am Dr. K.Vanaja, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this lecture series, we are discussing about integrated marketing communication, and we have discussed about various approaches, strategies, the reasons for growing importance of internet integrated marketing, as well as we have discussed in the previous video about the basic elements of the promotional mix, and what are the uh, requirements for using that elements. And in this video we are going to discuss about uh, the advertising, how the advertising can be classified under integrated marketing communication approach. So yes, it is very strongly believed by people that the advertising is the key component for marketing of every product in any media or any platform. So, how can a product manager or a manufacturer uh, concentrate on the advertising uh, to get maximum gain of or profit? So, for this purpose, now under the contemporary approach of integrated marketing, uh, the manufacturer or a product manager may classify the advertising outlay in two major perspective called consumers perspective and organizations perspective. So as far as the consumer perspective, here the individual consumers are paying attention, under which the advertisement may be divided into three forms, three based on three levels of advertising, we can say. The consumers in national level, so the national advertising which is preferred, and also they have to concentrate on the consumers in local level, that is retail consumers also to be given equal in importance. So advertising must be planned for local or retail consumers of that particular area. Also they have to concentrate on advertising as primary versus selective demand advertising. So when a product is demanded in a particular area, for that particular area they can promote their product through the advertising. So which is specifically uh, meets the needs of that particular area consumers. As far as the organization's perspective, the advertising may be divided into or classified into three, namely business to business advertising, professional advertising, as well as trade advertising. So what is business to business advertising here? Unlike the previous classification, the advertising would not meet the consumers directly, whereas which meets only the another business. And as well as professional advertising means that must be advertising must be professional, which should follow the ethics of the business, uh, should not violate the ethics. So that is called professional advertising. And trade advertising, which is contemporary advertising, which conveys the message about the product information, the use of the product, need of the product, and what are all the requirements which are essential to utilize the product, where the availability of the product, the price of the product, everything, all the information must be available in trade advertising. That would uh, educate the customers and influence the customers to buy the product. So these are all the classification of advertising. And we shall continue the discussion on IM